Alright guys, so again, fresh case origins, so you guys will get to select what 4 boxes we are ripping tonight. This is upside down. There we go. Okay, so what I always do is the easiest way when we get to a fresh case. Okay, so the left out will be number 1, left in number 2, right in number 3, right out number 4. So first, the first one I see 2 numbers matching is the 4 boxes we will go with. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 3. So right in. So those. And again, Go Label Baseball Inning Now. Double giveaway running tonight of a Deshaun Watson autographed Houston Texans jersey, as well as a sealed box of Triple Threads baseball. 3 it is. Alright guys, good luck here in Origins. Next up is Gold Label. And then after Gold Label will be, crap, I just said it, XR, fresh case of XR. 5-box break. And after XR will either be Triple Threads or Optic, I'm not sure. Or Bowman. Crap, I don't even know. I don't even know my own order. Alright guys, we're starting off with Mike Evans for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers base. Red out of 299, Clay Matthews Band. Gosh, focus is not on point tonight. Lower it and look up, man. Oh, that worked. That is 35 of 299 for the Green Bay Packers. For the New England Patriots, Julian Edelman, 126 of 150. Our base in the back is Jay Ajayi for the Miami Dolphins. Then, patch auto, 2-color RPA of CJ Beathard for the 49ers, San Francisco. On card is Ardarius Stewart. On card auto for the New York Jets. And jumbo patch, Mike Williams, 92 of 199 for the Los Angeles Chargers. Mike Williams jumbo patch. There's Julian Edelman again. All right. We got base Tyrod Taylor for the Buffalo Bills. Red 202 of 299. Matt Ryan for the Atlanta Falcons. Red. And a blue 9 of 60. Jarvis Landry. Miami Dolphins. Our base card in the back is Adrian Peterson for the New Orleans Saints. 4-color RPA patch auto Kenny Galladay for the Detroit Lions. Detroit Lions and Zay Jones. Isaiah Jones on card auto for the Buffalo Bills. And a red Leonard Fournette, but it is just one. No, it's 2 different blacks, but you can't really see it. That is 44 of 99. Red parallel for the Jaguars. There is a little part that's cut off on the top left, but it's 2 different shades of black. Then back to Jarvis Landry. Box 3 of 4. Carson Palmer, base card, Arizona Cardinals. Red, 46 of 299. Khalil Mack for the Oakland Raiders. Teal, 6 of 25. DeAndre Hopkins for the Houston Texans. And Doug Baldwin base for the Seattle Seahawks in the back. Samaj Perine, 2-color RPA for the Washington Redskins. Rookie patch auto. And for the Seattle Seahawks, on-card auto, Amara Darboh. And Mitch Biscuit, 32 of 99 for the Chicago Bears. Red patch, 32 of 99. Mitchell Trubisky. Single color, though. Just the white patch on that one. And last box, Mojo. See if we can't get a big auto here at the last box, Mojo. Marcus Mariota for the Tennessee Titans base. 294 of 299. Alex Smith for the Kansas City Chiefs. Red parallel. Then 143 of 150. Carson Palmer orange for the Arizona Cardinals. And J.J. Watt base for the Houston Texans. And we got another Niner. This is literally coming out of the card. 2-color RPA, Joe Williams for the 49ers. Bulging patch. Joe Williams. And on-card auto for the Steelers, James Conner. Pittsburgh Steelers, on-card auto. And a jumbo patch, 77 of 199, Dalvin Cook for the Minnesota Vikings. And back to Carson. No numbered autographs. None of the RPAs or the on-cards were numbered. I don't know how that happens. That's crazy. But that means the rest of that case should have some... It did have a sick bulging patch of Joe Williams. But alright, guys. Again, next up will be Gold Label Baseball. And then we head into XR Football. XR Football is my favorite.